I have to ask the Prime Minister now. Mr. Prime Minister, after all the things that we're doing in Jamaica to the Jamaican people, you really have the courage and mind and heart say you want to run for election again? In a better you just resign instead of forget this disgrace you get. Either better if you resign than forget the disgrace you get. Because I'm telling you something. The Labour government don't care for poor people. I see police them who uphold the slackness from Dr. Harris Chang and Andrew Wallace and I go suffer. When I go dead one papa and dead one beggar. When no police, we take side with the government and oppress the people them wrongfully. When I go dead a papa, when I go dead and when I go suffer. When I go suffer and dead a papa. When no police, we frustrate the people them because of Andrew Wallace and Harris Chang, when you go dead and suffer.